your way? Okay, so they can come to where you are now. Between the posts, that's okay for them. They can swing wide here. All right. Yeah, I see that. Just so they don't have any, so we're not causing them any problems. Okay. All right. Very good. Great. Thanks. Come in through there. That's easier. You got away through here. Yeah, just go down there. Thank you. Rough. Okay. All right. Put it together and start over there. Start. What do you? Okay. Back. Back. Okay. Sure. Exactly. Whatever's easier. You want to just go from like the road starts there, right? Yeah, the road. Yeah, just so it stays on this side of that little road there. Right. Because Harry goes through there to farm, so anywhere along, you put 2 rows along there. Okay. Just start. We can put them right in against the semi. 1 row here, all the way out there, and another one next to it would be swell. Okay. Okay. All right. That'll work. Huh? No, they can get out, but they'll go back out that way. Okay. But they're fine. They're going to put them in rows here, parallel to the road. Oh, that was a bad idea. Yeah. What is it? I thought it was just a box, but it's not. It's parts of some kind or something. It's mess. Well, okay, yeah, that turned out. Got a lot of cleaned up here. That's great. Found the ground. I guess probably need our trash cans. Find those. Continue the oh, there's a trash can right there. Continue the process. All right, so. Did you guys have time to load siding? Yes? No. Okay, so then that's our next mission.
Siding.
Fix up Roger with everything he could possibly need.
I was in there last night. I didn't find too much of the gray.
Not too much gray? How about over there in the stacks?
You got a lot of tan. That
tan
stuff, but
if we don't have enough gray, we'll have to go tan. But.
Okay.
Come true. Harold, I say dreams come true. Harold Walker is coming to move the semis this morning. Okay. You know who Harold Walker is, right? You know who Harold Walker is, right? Okay. Go 1/4 mile west. That's Harold Walker. Yeah. Okay. We're unloading tarps here this morning. That's good. Yeah, we're hauling 22 tarps this morning. That'll be fine, yeah, just so we pull the semi out. Yeah. hold on a second. He's just finishing ducking